Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, my beautiful family. We have the recipe here. These are chicken breasts. We are going to prepare our chicken breasts. We'll be grilling. We are going to use our oven, which is sand oven. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our dinner. It's a dinner of breasts, of chicken breasts. So let's follow step by step. Have some few ingredients which we are going to use. We will be adding, marinating our our chicken with yogurt. Here is curry, chicken curry. We have ginger garlic paste. There is some few paprika and black pepper, basil, cooking oil. Let's mix our ingredients. Watch the video until the end. So we are going to keep it for around 20 minutes. Then after, I will be showing you another process of preparing our chicken breast grill. We are just heating our oven. This is sand oven. This is what we are going to use to grill our chicken breasts. So stay tuned. We are going. So our marinated chicken breasts now ready. We are going to prepare. Here is our oven. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our chicken breast is now ready. We are going to enjoy. Please come, we enjoy together. Yeah, our oven is doing a great job. This is how we are going. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our chicken breast is now ready. We are going to enjoy. Please come, we enjoy together. Yeah, our oven is doing a great job. This is how we are going. So this is our chicken breasts. We are going to enjoy. There are just few. So stay tuned. Let's enjoy our dinner, please. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate. Let's enjoy our chicken breasts. Intore zimara